बायलांचे सकाळी उठल्याबरोबर म्हणजे पायाचे जे पोंचे खोटो असतात ते दुखतात. इज इट रिलेटेड टू वेट? And if it is related to weight, what can be done to prevent it?
Okay. One of the reasons could be related to weight. There could be various other things. That condition is mostly called as plantar fasciitis, when you have heel pain and all. It could be related to weight. It could be related to the structure of the foot, how the foot is. Sometimes a flat foot can cause a plantar fasciitis. Various things that could cause. But one thing about weight, where you can prevent it, is by helping to keep your weight in control. Sometimes it is various metabolic conditions that could lead to overweight. Sometimes it is in your hand. You can always go out, take care of yourself, stay in that limit. It's not, overweight is not something that can, it's like you cannot do anything about it. There's always something you can do about it. There's a way to reduce it. And it is something to be seen to remain healthy. It is not even about being fat or thin. It is about remaining healthy. It's about remaining fit. And at the same time, it helps in reducing or preventing as such various bodily issues, pains, aches, and disruptions in the musculoskeletal system. So it helps to remove that weight off. So basically, if you have your body weight as so much, suppose, example, your body weight is about 50 kgs. It is not the 50 kgs only that will bear weight on your knee and your hip. It is more than that. It is 4 times that weight or 3 times that weight that is borne on your knees or your hips. So that is the weight that transmits to the foot. So that could be one of the reasons that it is there.